Hello everybody, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I'm gonna repair Samsung S10 Plus. It is badly smashed. You can look at it. Look at the back. Is customer said it's ran over, which you can see from the front and back. So let's and it has missing SIM tray. The edges also has a lot of dings and all the stuff. So let's start. So this we need to heat up a little bit, and after heating up we have to put the it's called a soft knife, so we have to start from the one end. It's broken, so it's kind of easy to take out. So I'm just peeling off from the back actually. Yeah, it's a little risky because it has a lot of glass. So but the thing is it's already broken, so I can do it easy. So just put the plier if you stuck somewhere, so little push up, it'll give you room to take out the whole bag. So yeah, oh, it hurt me. It's okay, that's normal. Let's take it out. Here we go. So yeah, so now we need to remove everything from the bag. So you can see in my working mat a lot of glass pieces of the glass, which is normal when you fixing run over phone or this kind of smash phone, and they're hard, but it's okay. So let's clean my all. After after this I'll clean my mat. Yeah, here we go. So unscrew from the bottom and the top, because it has a lot of screws, almost I think how many, in 20. So I just cut the video, and so now we have to lift it, this plastic piece which contain the wireless charging, and here is the bottom. If you see, there is earpiece and disconnected with that thing. So disconnect the battery first. Very first thing, you need to disconnect the battery. As you see, it's a badly smashed when you just so just disconnect all connectors. LCD, I'm doing the front camera right now. So usually we take out the SIM card, but it has no SIM card, SIM card tray I mean. So we unscrew after unscrew three screw from the motherboard. Look at the bottom, just next to charging port there are a couple of screws, so we need to take it out that thing. And on the top you'll find the one more screw. So after taking out those screws, you have to take out the motherboard, and you have to gently actually take it out, because it'll give you little problems. So you have to pull this headphone jack first, and then you can easily take out this whole piece together, and it's in one piece motherboard. And if you see, that's a vibrator, and this battery has a lot of that thing, and a lot of mark, which mean it's kind of beat up, but we can use that the same battery. So let's put some alcohol in it so we can easily take out the battery. So just put the alcohol, and here is a new screen, and screen has some small component like this vibrator and the earpiece on the top. So let's put the motherboard back and put this side for a moment for the battery I'm talking about. So for the motherboard, you need to put the charging port side first to make some room to get motherboard onto the accurate place. So you'll see it's now is going, and can you see that it's now aligned. So now after connecting the screen connector, I'm now there's a front camera, I'm doing that. So yeah, so now it's time to take out the battery, because alcohol will melt the glue, and this you can easily detach. You can see it still has some, see, look at the battery thing, It's kind of messed up, but we can use it. It's okay. It's still usable because the main lithium is still good condition, so we can use it, that battery. And of course customer don't want to pay extra, so let's put audio phone jack back, and you'll feel the sound, a little bit click, and then you can easily connect to the motherboard. Of course the battery connection, and put everything back together to make sure everything is aligned. Put screw, yeah, I usually do in the middle first, and the bottom and the up, so all the screws on their places. Let's turn on. It shows Samsung S10 Plus, which is a good sign. In the back I already installed. Here we go. So everything is working condition. Thank you very much for watching.